Hey everyone, we've added a new column type called time in Stackby. Now you can only add time without the date in any of your columns. So let's see how it works. So I'm going to insert a column to my table, call it the time to publish. This is a time column type. So I can click on time. This is going to be the display format, and you can choose whether you want to show it in a 12-hour or 24-hour format. I can just create this column. So if I click on it, I can see, that the time model opens up, and I can add an exact time to my columns. So I can choose to, add it in like a 12-hour format or a 24-hour format. And this is very important for use cases where you have set up automations to go on a particular time. And let's say you're using Stackby with Pabbly, Zapier, or Make.com, and you want to basically take the time to publish directly from one of the column types. So you can choose the time column type, and it will automatically take that time and let that post be published through Zapier or Make. So you can use it within your automations, or also as a visualization to your workflows. If you have say social media calendar or content calendar or a video marketing calendar or an email marketing calendar, you can choose this particular column type to exactly let your team know what time the newsletter needs to go out or that particular video needs to go. So let us know what you think about all the different use cases where you're using the time column type, and we'll keep making improvements as we go. Cheers.